Checking your NECO results, checking your results for NECO is very, very simple. In this video, let me just guide you. You don't even need anybody to help you. It's a very simple process, and I'll walk through the step by step. You can even check it right now in this video. Step-by-step guide for checking your 2025 NECO result. It's very, very simple. Just pay attention. Number one, following the release of the 2025 SSCE internal results, that is NECO, here is a step-by-step guide to help candidates access their results online with your phone. Without going to a cyber cafe, you can use your phone right now and check your NECO result. To check your result, candidates are required to visit the official NECO result portal and follow the instruction carefully. I've highlighted the portal on the screen. Results.neco.gov.ng. What did I say? Results.neco.gov.ng. If you want me to send you this link privately, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to send the link to you privately, let me know in the comment section. But what you must do now is results.neco.com.ng. Type it out. Somebody should type it out for us in the comment section. Visit the official NECO result checking portal. That is step one. Result.neco.gov.ng. Result.neco.gov.ng is the same thing. Result.neco.gov.ng. Once you do that, select your examination year, the year you wrote the exam, right? So if you wrote the exam 2015, select 2015. If you wrote it 2016, 2017, 2015, 2014, 2024, any year you wrote, that particular year you wrote the exam, select it and the exam type. Which type? If you wrote it as an SS3 student in a secondary school, you select internal. If you wrote it as GCE, you select external. Then enter your NECO examination number. Of course, if I've forgotten your NECO exam number, please tell me in the comment section. Once you enter your exam number, enter your NECO result checking token number, which must be purchased beforehand at the portal. So you will buy, this is what is called NECO scratch card. You know, NECO doesn't give scratch card like WAEC. So just click buy a scratch card. If you want to buy, let me know too. Get a scratch card from the portal or from people, they are vendors like us or anybody that sell it. You can just buy from them, right? Click, once you enter it, once you buy it, scratch it and you get your token number. You enter it. Enter your NECO examination number. Once you do that, check the results. So once you have put all this in, click on check result to view your result. Once you click it, your result will appear on the screen. There you can download it, or you can screenshot it, or you can print it. If you have a printer, you go to a cyber cafe, tell them to print for you. Ensure you purchase your scratch card from a verified token or from NECO portal. It's very, very simple. If you have not gotten this point, let me know. You can watch this. Go back now. Watch this video again. Follow it step by step. If you're having any issue, let me know. If you forgot your exam number, let me know. If you need us to send you the link, let me know. If you need us to help you in checking your NECO result, also go ahead and let us know right now. But you must, to ask us any question concerning your JAMB, your WAEC, or your NECO result, you must be a member of our channel by clicking on join. So click on join, become a full member of our channel, that you can now ask me your questions. Most importantly, there's an important video on the screen. There's an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.